Okay guys, we're riding old school today. We have the special privilege of seeing an unusual motorcycle today because my good friend, my good riding friend, my new riding friend, Charlie, has got an awesome machine here. So I thought you'd be interested in seeing and hearing about this motorcycle today. Charlie, how long have you had the bike?
Tom, I got this bike brand new in 2008 as a leftover. It's a 2007 Bonneville T100, and got it as a leftover. And it's just a fun bike, man. It's just I've always been a Harley Triumph fan, and you know, when Triumph came back out with the Bonnevilles in 2001, I kept checking it out all the time, and finally I said, you know what, let me go get one of these things. So
I love the color.
Yeah, so well, the T100s, they had the upgrade on the paint. They put the scallops on the tank, and the cool thing about these is this gold pinstripe is all hand painted. So whoever painted it initials the tank.
Wow.
Which is pretty cool.
And look at that tank badge.
Yeah, that's old school. I have a 1971 that has almost the same exact tank badge. That bike's all in pieces up in my garage. But I made a few changes to this. Put the old school fork boots, the rubber fork boots on there for a traditional look. I changed out, I have a couple different sets of handlebars I've tried over the years. Lower bars like Norman Hyde M bars and Flanders Clubmans. But these are actually Harley 883 bars, and me at 6'2", they just make the bike very comfortable. I had them off for a while. I rode them for years with those bars, but I recently changed back to them. But let's see, what else have I done?
This is how many cubic inches?
Well, this is 865 cc's. So,
okay.
You know, around 900 cc's, so it'd be somewhere like 55, 57 cubic inch, somewhere in there. But they're parallel twins.
Parallel twins, okay.
Yeah, air-cooled 2-cylinder. They're counterbalanced, so they're smoother than the old ones.
Boy, the engine is immaculate.
Yeah,
it's immaculate.
They're cool. I always like the architecture of the engine, the way the pipes come out and flow back. They actually used to have pushrod tubes on the old motors, but when Triumph came back out with the new motors, they have overhead cams. They use this as like an oil drain, just to replicate the old pushrod tubes from the old motors. So that's kind of cool. This is a carbureted one. They're now fuel injected. What else did I change? I put a set of Dominator Sport pipes on it just to open it up. Took the air box out. All the air box and stuff is under there. Came as a kit from California, and makes it sound nice. It runs really nice. Added the Triumph grab rail just to hold on, you know, if I take someone. So that's pretty cool. This was kind of neat for anybody that wants to get a little more leg room. These are Kuryakin aftermarket little mini floorboards. They're actually from a Honda Goldwing. So I took a shot and ordered them. They actually came to my phone one day, and I said, man, I might be able to adapt these. So
Son of a gun.
I took them, I ordered them, and all I had to do was drill out the bracket to fit the pin for Triumph, and they bolted right on. And they gave me a little bit of extra room, which was nice. It's been...
Boy, I love that gold pinstripe.
Yeah, the gold pinstripe. It's all hand done, so that's really cool. And it's been a reliable bike. I had a fork seal go bad, and that's the only thing that's gone bad. You know, only mechanical thing. Other than maintenance, that's the only issue. I haven't had the motor's bulletproof.
That's a gorgeous bike. It really is. Well, Charlie, thanks a million, and
thank you.
Best of luck with it.
Yeah, it's nice riding with you.
Many miles of smiles.
Yes, yes indeed.